Assalamu alaikum viewers. There are a lot of varieties for avocado dip, but today I'm sharing my favorite one. Ingredients I need: chopped onions 1 by 4 cup, cumin roasted 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, avocados 4, lemon 3 teaspoon. I roasted cumin on a fry pan for a minute. When they change color, I grind them. For salt, I am using only half teaspoon because chips I'm going to use with them, those are salty. If you need more, you can add it later. Addition to this, you can also use tomato, garlic, cilantro, or green chili. Let's jump to the preparation. I put avocados in a bowl and now I will take a fork and mash them. Do not blend them in a blender, otherwise it will become paste. Fork is the best thing, I found it. For mashing, just take your time. It will take up to 1 minute or so, and those will be ready. Just need some patience. It's been almost a minute. Now it's ready. I will add lemon, cumin, salt, onions, and if you like, as I said earlier, you can use garlic, tomato, cilantro, even green chili. But I am only using these ingredients. Now mix it well. Every ingredient has been well mixed and it's ready. My avocado dip is ready. Please try yours and share your comments.